LumaFusion versus KineMaster mobile video editors. Choosing the right mobile video editor can completely change how you create professional videos without struggling with complicated tools. LumaFusion offers advanced features, while KineMaster shines with user-friendly controls. LumaFusion and KineMaster are two leading mobile video editors. The core difference lies in their target users. LumaFusion focuses on professional-grade editing with complex features, while KineMaster aims for quick, intuitive editing suited for beginners and casual creators. LumaFusion is a powerful mobile video editor designed for iOS devices favored by professionals and serious creators. It supports multi-track editing, allowing up to 6 video and audio tracks, plus additional audio tracks for narration and music. The interface offers advanced tools like color correction, keyframing, and layer effects. LumaFusion works by letting users import footage directly from their device or cloud services, then arrange and edit clips with precision. Its strengths include robust performance, high-quality export options, and extensive format support, making it ideal for filmmakers and content creators who require detailed control. However, its complexity can be overwhelming for beginners, and it is limited to Apple devices only. LumaFusion suits users who want desktop-level editing power on mobile and are willing to invest time learning its features. KineMaster is a versatile mobile video editor available on both iOS and Android, designed for a wide range of users from beginners to intermediate editors. It features a straightforward timeline interface with drag-and-drop functionality, making it easy to add multiple layers of video, images, and text. KineMaster offers real-time video and audio recording, blending modes, and a large asset store with effects, transitions, and music. It works by allowing quick edits on the go with instant previews and easy sharing options. Strengths include its accessibility across platforms, user-friendly design, and a generous free version with optional subscription upgrades. Limitations include occasional watermarks on free versions and fewer advanced color grading tools compared to LumaFusion. KineMaster is ideal for social media creators, vloggers, and anyone looking for a fast, flexible editing app without a steep learning curve. When comparing LumaFusion and KineMaster, the choice depends on your editing needs and device. LumaFusion excels in professional-level editing with precise controls and advanced features, perfect for filmmakers working on iOS devices. Its multi-track timeline and detailed effects make it suitable for complex projects. KineMaster, on the other hand, offers cross-platform convenience with a simpler interface, ideal for quick edits and social media content. It supports Android and iOS, making it more accessible. While LumaFusion demands a learning curve, KineMaster provides faster results with less effort. The trade-off is between depth and ease of use. Choose LumaFusion for detailed production quality and KineMaster for speed and flexibility in everyday editing. Choose LumaFusion if you need professional-grade editing on iOS with advanced tools and multi-track capabilities for detailed video projects. Opt for KineMaster if you want a user-friendly, cross-platform editor that delivers quick, versatile results without complexity. Both apps are excellent, but your choice depends on whether you prioritize professional features or ease of use for mobile video editing.